Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to make a gift filler. So basically gift fillers are shredded papers, crinkled papers or straight papers placed inside a gift box to give it more class, gives it a good background and even adds more beauty. So it's pretty easy. All you need to do is to fold an A4 paper into 4 equal halves and cut it with a scissors like you can see in the video. You can leave your gift fillers this way, or you can crinkle them by squeezing them with your hands, and either ways it is just beautiful. Thank you so very much for watching. So for more videos like this, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.